Hi, let me show you today a condiment box from Royal Catering. It's actually one of the very many useful things that you should have in your place. First of all, it will help you organize your workflow during service. So what it is basically a stainless steel box with a cover, and then you have 6 inserts, metal of course, that you can put your condiments inside. So great for a bar or even a kitchen. I used to put it in my kitchen just for dry garnishes on my window. So when I'm garnishing my dishes, I have everything on hand in front of me. So after service, all you have to do is just close it down, put it in the fridge, and off it goes. During service, you can close the cover in order to protect your fruit from whatever that may fly inside. So from all the insects, debris, or whatever, dust. And one very cool feature is the fact that it's all stainless steel, so it's really easy to clean and maintain. So what you have to do after service, you just drop whatever left over inside into the bin and just put it in a dishwasher and just clean, give it a couple of runs, and you end up with a really clean condiment box. If you're putting dry goods inside, just make sure you dry it properly with a paper towel, and that's about it. If you're looking for a condiment box, or if you're looking for ways to organize your workflow on your in your bar or in your kitchen, just have a look at the website, because there's a whole range of these devices on offer, with different sizes, different materials, depending on the purpose you're using it for. So you can do with plastic cover and so on, plastic containers, and metal ones with different configurations, with 4 containers inside, slightly bigger or smaller. So you definitely find the one that you need for your particular venue. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, and if you happen to order it, it will come in a box just like this one. Really sturdy packaging with some packaging material inside, so it will arrive to your place safe and sound. Alright, so if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment you want me to test, and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.